welcome back to Miss Rogers' class. How are you guys? Okay, first, deep breath. Okay, now you ready? Okay, here's our question. There are two boxes with different colored balls. Box A has 3 black and 1 white. Box B has 5 black and 2 white. Students asked which box has a higher probability of picking a ball. All right, Dara, you over here say box B because there are more black balls. Ty, you over here, you say the probability of picking a black ball for each box is the same. All right, Dara. All right, Ty. Get your pencils and paper ready. We're going to work this out and see what the answer is, okay? Okay, guys. Here we go. Sometimes it's good to draw out our questions, like draw us a picture of what we're learning, right? We don't have to do that today. Today, we're just going to write a few things down. Again, you know I got to move a little bit to write, so here we go. Write box A and box B. Okay, guys, box A has 3 black, 1 white. I just did a 3 with a B and a 1 with a W, just to make it easy. Okay, do you have that? Perfect. Box B has 5 black and 2 white. Okay, just glancing at this, do they have the same amount of balls in each? I don't think so either, but let's calculate it. 3 plus 1 equals 4, correct. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job. Okay, let's turn these into fractions or probabilities. 4 goes on top. Oh no, I need an eraser. 4 doesn't go on top. Good catch, Ty. 3 goes on top because we're focused on our black balls. 3 goes on top. 4 goes on bottom. 3 represents our 3 black balls. 4 represents the total of balls in box A. Box B, we're going to have 5 on top as our numerator, in a sense, to represent our black balls, and 7 on the bottom because that's how many are in box B. Okay, so next, we need to compare these two to see which one has the higher probability. To do that, we need to take 3. Oh, goodness. We need to take 3 over 4, 5 over 7. Now, in order to compare these the easiest way, we need these bottom numbers to have the same number. So if we do 4 times 7 and 3 times 7, we're going to get 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 7 is what, Dara? 21. That's nice. 21. Okay, if we did 7 up here, let's do 4 down here. 7 times 4, 5 times 4. What's 7 times 4? Ty? 28. It's the same as right there. You're so smart. 5 times 4, Dara? Oh, easy. Okay, so do these look easier to compare now? I think so too. So let's write 21 over 28, and let's put a circle so we can put our greater than, less than, or equal sign here. And let's take our 20 over 28. Let's compare these two. The 28's the same, so we're not going to look at that. We're going to look at this 21 and this 20. Which number is larger? You both said 21 at the same time. You're so smart. So we're going to put our greater than symbol. Now, let's remember, box A, if we need to, we could put an A here and a B here. So, does A have a higher probability to pull out a black ball, or does B? You're right, box A. Is that what you were expecting? That's right. We can't always just look and read the questions and automatically think, oh, yep, that's it. It has to be. Because it might not be. It might not be what you think. So it's always best in math to work out your problems from step 1 to the last step. Dara, Ty, high fives. Y'all did great. See you soon.